What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me guide you on how to view deleted messages on Discord. Navigate to your Discord app on your phone. Then go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you're here, click on the settings on the top. Navigate to privacy and safety. From there, scroll down to the bottom and you will find request all my data. Click on that. This prompt will show up and it will submit your request for collecting your data. Note that this may take a few days to gather all your data. If that's fine with you, click on Request My Data. After that, wait for an email of the data collection and done. You will see your deleted messages from there. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.